Up, so I don't know why you're shaking your head, right? You drove right in front of me. Just because you're on a motorbike, don't believe you got the fucking right. If your mate followed you, you're lucky I didn't hit you.
You see full fucking bike, can you just go around anyway?
You don't pull out in front of a fucking van because you're on a motorbike.
Oh, what? You don't
there's a
fucking
group
wait.
of you, do you?
No. If you weren't driving like a prick,
no, I drove right out there and I slowed down for you, but you went out in close, so I slowed down for you, and you free followed him. No, you stopped actually, and you stopped, didn't you? But you carried on.
She was in front of me.
No,
how could she have stopped if she was in front of me?
You should be aware. You always brag on the people in red. You looked at me, and you pulled straight out in front of me.
I looked at you after because you were fucking speeding around.
Yes.
Yeah, he did. I'm not saying he didn't.
You give way to
He
your
did
right.
stop.
All right?
He did slow down. I'm not saying he didn't.
So he seen me, he was safe. You followed him, as you do at your age, all right? I used to ride a motorbike, all right? And I know what it's like to be 17-year-old. All right, or 18-year-old, whatever you are. But you basically, I know how it ended. You followed him and you all follow each other, all right? That is what happened. So you should be saying, thanks, buddy, for not knocking me off my bike and putting me in a wheelchair, all right? There's adverts on the telly about beware of motorbikes. You've got a responsibility to everybody else as well, all right? Now, what would your mum be saying if you were fucking on the way in an ambulance on the way to hospital now?
No, I will admit it was my fault because I just plowed.
Well, no, you probably had enough room to get out, but you know what it's like. You follow your mates out. You follow your mates out.
Can you get my bike?
Yeah.
The only reason I chased you around the corner is because you come out and you shook your head at me. Now, I wouldn't have even come round here now, but you want to realise that you come out, you pulled out in front of me, and then when I slammed on, you're there shaking your head at me.
Over there. Oh no! Ah! Damn.
Oh yeah, alright.
Why are you driving so fast?
Just.
Huh?
This is the first day I got my bike back. I'm just.
70 miles an hour?
That was not 70.
Am I lying?
I'm not trying to call you a liar. I mean, I was just.
You went up to 70 miles an hour from
Alright, I believe you.
Take your license, your registration, and
Yeah. Can I get off?
Huh?
Can I get off? Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, I just got my bike back yesterday because I was having problems, and then this is my first time out.
This is why I got so close to you that I started to take off on me. Which many people do sometimes. To get you to slow down.
You've already scared me enough.
No, slow down.
I know, I promise. Thank you so much.
Alles in Ordnung.
opportunity and you try to bullshit me. I don't like being bullshitted. I am not a stupid man. All right? I come at you like a gentleman. Now you break out your driver's license and I'll treat you like an officer.
Sir, it was me, sir.
It was not you. It was the red bike.
Are you sure, sir? I'm trying to be honest with you, sir. It was me.
So you were the one doing the wheelies and he's just riding alongside of you screaming along?
I mean, I was in front. I couldn't see who was behind me, but...
I understand that. You're probably paying attention to why your wheel's up in the air. Well, what's going on? Why? What kind of a dumbass move is that?
I'm sorry, sir.
I apologize for getting angry. I swear to you, I didn't do it.
I can go back and look at the video, I guess. If you're going to say it was you, then I guess I'm not going to call you a liar.
I just don't want him to get in trouble for something I did.
Well, I don't understand why you guys think that you're not going to make a mistake and hurt somebody. I understand. I don't care if you lay your bike down because it's your bike and it's your actions.
Exactly, yep.
But somebody not paying attention pulls out a Martin hardware,
mm-hmm.
You know, then they got to deal with it.
Yeah.
Man, that sun sucks. Alright, well I watched the video and all it shows is the sun shining into my camera. So I can't tell which bike it is. But you guys got to be smarter than that.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Sounds good.
That. I don't like losing my temper either.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
But you know exactly what's going on because you were watching them if nothing else.
Yeah.
So you can go, not me, dude.
Yeah, I didn't want to. But...
Alright? Alright.
Thank you very much.
Be careful.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, shit. Fuck, bro. I got you, bro.
Harry.
I see your driver's license, please.
Yes, sir.
The reason I'm stopping you today is you were speeding 76 in a 45. Is there a reason why?
I don't know, sir. I was just being stupid.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really sorry about that.
I believe that knife in your pocket. Please don't pull it back out again.
I mean, do you want to...
I don't need to hold it. Just don't pull it back out again.
I'm just pushing it down.
Thank you very much. What year's your bike?
It's 2006 Yamaha R6.
All right. I checked my radar unit about 10 minutes ago before I left to come to work. Would you like me to check it for accuracy again?
What's that?
State of Georgia says that I have to test my radar unit at the beginning and the end of shift, and anytime I have to stop somebody for speeding, I have to ask them if they want me to check it again.
It doesn't matter. I mean, if you want to. If it's your job,